Alright, back in the community garden plot, and I think I learned a lesson from my previous planting of the sunflower seeds. I tried to direct sow them into the soil, and very quickly they were eaten by really probably a number of things in the garden, right? Since we're in the forest, there's a number of things. They're gonna seek those out and have a wonderful meal on all of them. I planted probably a few hundred with my little ones, and they were all eaten, dug up and eaten. So I think I learned my lesson. I started some seeds at home, let them get pretty tall, and now I'm gonna get them in the ground here, hopefully adding to the pollinator garden. Right? I'm attempting to make the borders of the garden into a pollinator garden, but we shall see.